So welcome back to this another episode. This is me, Arshi. In this video, I'm going to talk about colleges with their last date to apply. We are already in the month of May and July. Majorly, colleges will start their batch. But still, there are multiple colleges where you can still apply, जिनकी last phase of admissions चल रहे हैं. जहाँ सबसे पहला option है list में called MDI Gurgaon. Their last date to apply is 25th June, but that will be for some specific courses. The average package, what they claim, is around 25 lakh rupees. The second option, what we have in our list, it is one of those colleges which are known for oil and gas. Website पे top 10% का दिया है, which is 15 lakh rupees. But in real 8.5 is the average package of the college. Oil and gas का around 10 lakh rupees का है. So that was UPS Dehradun. I've been to the campus. Channel पे campus tour video डाली है. The third option what we have is Jaipur या Noida, Lucknow, Indore and Jaipur. The applications are still open. The fee structure is on an expensive side, but the average package is around 8.59 lakh. And अगर आप इन colleges में apply करना चाहते हैं, you want coupons, so description में student खबरी की website है, वहाँ जाके आप check कर सकते हैं कि क्या आपको किसी college का coupon मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है. जयपुरिया के बाद the fourth option what we have is Birla Institute of Management and Technology, which is BIMTech Noida, known for marketing and insurance. The average is around 9 lakh rupees, 9-10 lakh rupees, and they're claiming for in 10.74. Then we have LM Thapar, known for engineering. They also offer MBA. The average is around 5-6. Again, they have mentioned top 10%. Please top 10% placements नहीं देखिए, average या median package को देखिए. We have Jagdish Seth School of Management, which is Jackson, Bangalore. Now if I talk about the average package, भाई 10,32,000 का क्लेम करें, जो कि वी स्कूल मुंबई का भी नहीं है. रियल पैकेज 7 लाख. नेक्स्ट वी हैव जैक्सन बैंगलोर, जगदीश सेठ स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, भाई 10,32,000 का एवरेज पैकेज क्लेम कर रहे हैं. इतना तो वी स्कूल मुंबई का नहीं है. द रियल एवरेज पैकेज इज अराउंड 7 to 8 लाख रुपीज, नॉट मोर देन दैट. एंड दैट व्हाट आई सेड, जो कॉलेज की वेबसाइट पे प्लेसमेंट है और जो रियल में है उसमें फ़र्क है. तो अगर आप डिटेल में जानना चाहते हैं आपकी बजट, आपकी लोकेशन और रियल पैकेजेस क्या हैं, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोफाइल एनालिसिस फॉर्म दिया है, फिल करके आप डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं. नाउ मूविंग टू द सेकंड लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेज, वी हैव IBA Bangalore. The average is around 7 to 8 lakh rupees. 10,83,000 का application है, sorry fees है, and you can apply through any of those entrance examination. We have IP Hyderabad with an average package of around 6.5 lakh rupees. Then followed by SIS Mumbai, जो कि MMS के लिए जाना जाता है, but they have PGDM also, जिसके लिए आप apply कर सकते हैं. There's no such cut-off. Average is around 7 lakh. Then we have NISM, which is National Institute of Security Markets. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स इस पे रिव्यू करने के लिए भी बोल रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली आई विल ट्राई टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन द सेम. The average is claiming 9 lakh, not more than 7-8 lakh rupees. Then we have Rajgiri Business School. I've not reviewed this institution as well. Then we have Delhi School of Business. By their average is around also 6. XIME Bangalore, XIME Kochi, Chennai. On my YouTube channel, as soon as I opened YouTube, I got ads from XIME Bangalore, Kochi and Chennai. The applications are open and the average is around 8 to 9 for Bangalore campus, and Kochi is around 6.5. Right, then Chandigarh University Symbiosis Foundation, I don't know about it, that's why I'm skipping this. Chandigarh University 15th May is the last date to apply, but there's no such last date to apply for Chandigarh University. 6 से 7 लाख का है. Then we have SP Jain Global. फीस थोड़ी सी नहीं, थोड़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है. 24,86,000. The applications are open. Followed by IMT Nagpur, which you can apply through CAT, ZAT and CMAT. The average is around 9-10 lakh rupees, and the fees is including hostel is 16 lakh. So these are the list of colleges. Coupons के लिए नीचे student खबरी पे जा सकते हैं. Secondly, अगर आप अपनी प्रोफाइल, बजट, लोकेशन के हिसाब से colleges जानना चाहते हैं, all you can do is fill the form which is there in the description box. Till then, like, share and subscribe.